Hello and welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Anjali. In today's video, we'll see report bursting in narrative reporting application. So by using bursting, we can run a single report or book for more than one member of a single dimension for one data source and publish output for each member. You can publish to either PDF or static Excel workbooks. So this is my narrative reporting application. From here, we'll go to bursting definitions card. I have already done this process for this. So let's click on this and I'll show you how it is done. So basically when you click on add, it will ask for bursting definition artifact. This is nothing but the report which you want to burst to number of users. Okay, so I have already chosen one. This is bursting POV dimension. This is an optional. Global dimension, this is also optional. Use legacy distribution file. You can also check this. Targeted distribution file. This is distribution format. We can also use it in PDF format or an Excel format. This is success notification. So what this does is basically if the bursting is done successfully, it will send the email to the person of whom email address is provided here. So I have already given one email address here by clicking on add user. Provide the email address here and then click on add symbol and then click on OK. I've already done that. And similarly for failure notification also, if the bursting is not successful, you will provide the email address here of the user to whom we want to send the failure notification. It is done in the same way as of success notification. So it can be done, this report bursting process can be done by way of two ways. One is email and another one is library. So first understand the email one. This is distribution list, all right? So in this, we add the number of users to whom we want to send the report. Click on add user, provide the email address here, click on add. I've just added one user, but since we are bursting the report, it will not be one. It will be generally more than one. Click on OK. Provide the attachment name here. This is bursting email. So here you basically provide the subject for that email and any message along with it. Click on OK. So once this process is done for email, we'll go to bursting definitions actions, validate this and then execute this. So when we'll execute this, it will send us the email that it is successfully completed. This is the status which will be shown in this email. Similarly, if the process is unsuccessful, it will also send the email for that too. All right. Now for library, we need not add any email address here in library. We have the listed users, which we can select from here. For example, this is Alex. From here, we have many users. Add the users to whom you want to send the report. Okay, click on OK. I've just added one user for now. Provide the artifact, provide the root folder. Okay, so from here you provide the root folder, click on OK. And this is how the same process is done. Click on actions, validate and execute. You will receive the mail for successful or the failure of this bursting definition report. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.